I am going to show you how to create realistic lighting effect in Photoshop. Create a color lookup adjustment layer and select Moonlight 3DL. Type your text. I am using this font, link in description. Create another copy of the text layer. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Hold Ctrl and press T to open Transform Mode. Right-click and select Flip Vertical. Drag and place it to the bottom of text layer. Right-click and select Distort. Follow this process. Create another copy of main image layer and drag it to top position. Right-click and create clipping mask. Select both and convert to Smart Object. Change the blending mode is screen. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Blur amount is 2 pixels. Create another copy of main image layer and place it to top of text layer. Right-click and create clipping mask. Select text layer and go to blending option. Follow this process. This is the final result. Thanks for watching.